Cisco, you're on News 96.5. Go ahead.
Hi, good morning. I'm calling because I have a question in regards to buying a home as is.
Got it.
I signed a contract to buy a home as is, and I received a letter from the seller's attorney stating that the seller is going to, the attorney is going to represent the seller as a closing agent.
All right.
And I'm not sure. Does the seller and the buyer, myself, need closing agents? So I thought it was just one closing agent for the both.
Okay, so first of all, most contracts these days, Cisco, are as is. An as is contract simply means that prior to closing, your seller is not going to be obligated to pay for any repairs or termite treatment. Even in an as-is contract, your seller is still required to disclose to you all known defects to the home. Now, when it comes to signing a contract, preparing a contract, reviewing a contract, that attorney can only represent one party, and clearly he's representing the seller in this case. Once the contract gets signed, the closing agent is supposed to be a neutral party, not representing the buyer, not representing the seller. I think that this lawyer is kind of just doing a CYA for you, although he should be a neutral party, and if there's any problems, he should still be telling you, the buyer, what those problems are. Now, Cisco, most people are buying a piece of property. They're not having an attorney review their closing documents on their behalf. If you don't have a comfort level with that, then you are Cisco, then you may want to talk to an attorney like me to review the closing documents on your behalf and make sure everything is good.
Okay, so I just want to make sure I get this straight, because my mortgage company is already telling me that they're the ones that are going to be preparing all the closing stuff. They're going to represent me as a closing agent.
No,
so
your mortgage company is going to prepare all the loan documents, and your mortgage company is going to make sure your mortgage company is okay. They're not going to make sure you as a buyer are okay.
Okay,
so Cisco, what I'm telling you is that every day people are doing exactly what you're doing, and there's not a problem. If it would help you sleep better at night to have an attorney review your closing documents like me, then that could be money well spent.